Eco-spirituality is the understanding that we are not separate from nature. We are living part of it. Just as trees breathe, we breathe. Just as rivers flow, our emotions flow. Just as the earth heals, so can we. Across ancient cultures, indigenous traditions, Eastern philosophies, and earth-based spiritual practice, nature was never seen as a resource to exploit, but as a sacred teacher. Eco-spiritualities invite us to remember that sacred relationship. Modern life has pulled us indoors, online, and into consistent stimulation. We rush, we scroll, we forget to listen. This disconnection often shows up as anxiety, restlessness, emotional exhaustion, a deep sense that something is missing. Nature doesn't rush. Nature doesn't compete. Nature simply is. And when we return to it, we remember how to be too. When you walk barefoot on the earth, when you sit quietly beneath a tree, when you watch waves rise and fall, your nervous system begins to soften. Science calls this grounding. Spiritual traditions call it communion. Nature gently pulls us out of the mind and back into the body, back into the present moment. Peace doesn't need to be forced. It naturally emerges when we slow down enough to feel the earth supporting us. You don't need a forest retreat or a mountaintop journey. Eco-spiritual begins with intention and awareness. Here are few simple practices. Conscious nature walks. Walk slowly. Notice the colors, textures, and sounds. Let your breath match your steps. Tree connection. Place your hand on a tree. Feel its steadiness. Imagine your worries flowing down into the roots. Earth gratitude rituals. Before eating, pause. Thank the soil, the rain, the sun, and the hands that brought your food to you. Nature meditation.